Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. 3 months ago, I posted a video swatch for the Pretty Hue polishes we've bought at Lace Beauty on Shopee. And just recently, Miss Meg, the CEO of the Pretty Hue, sent me the shades that I don't have from their Holo and Glitter Collection. And here are the 3 shades I've received from Miss Meg. Thank you so much for these. These 3 are Manila, Budapest, and Moscow. Now let's peel off their sticker seals. Even if I've already swatched these 2, I'll swatch it again for a full swatch and review for the Pretty Hue's Holo and Glitter Collection. Because it's a peel-off nail polish, I won't be needing a base coat for swatching these. Okay, so the first to swatch is the shade Budapest. The trick in applying glitter polishes like this is applying it with a tapping motion. This will make it look more opaque, but be careful not to put too much so that it will dry easily. Just apply thin layers. Now for the second coat. Let's add a third coat. Budapest has a clear base with purple fine glitters and silver holographic glitters. Second shade is Moscow. Now for Moscow's second coat. To make it look more opaque, I'm adding a third coat. Moscow has a clear base with green, red, and blue glitter combination. Third shade to swatch is Manila. Now for the second coat. Manila has a red with a hint of pink base with silver glitters. Next we have this Taipei. Now for the second coat. Now let's add a third coat. Taipei has a clear base with dark purple glitters and holographic glitters. Last shade to swatch from this collection is Milan. Now here's the second coat. Milan has a clear base with lilac glitters and holographic glitters. The Pretty Hue polishes are water-based, therefore it's non-toxic. It doesn't have any odor at all, unlike normal nail polishes. This nail polish has a gel-like finish, but you don't need an LED lamp or a UV lamp to dry it. It has an air-dry formulation. It's in a 12 ml bottle. And the brush has a flat rounded edge type, which is my favorite. Once again, I want to thank Miss Meg for sending me the 3 nail polishes. Don't forget to follow the Pretty Hue on Instagram and on Facebook. I'll be leaving the links below, so don't forget to check them out. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Comment down below which shade is your favorite. You can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!